Some people will want to put the trigger guard in first, and you could do that. But I did discover there's one assembly I can do, and it's not going to affect anything. And you're going to need this piece. It looks like this. You're going to need the spring that goes with it. And it goes in a little pocket there. You're going to need this piece. Has a little flat on it. And it's got a tab right here. And you need the spring that goes with that. Of all the small springs, this is the one that's got the heavy diameter, wire diameter. And it goes in this. Mine actually came with the spring still in it. And you're going to need this piece here. This is your your ejector. And then you're going to need this piece here that has this long metal piece on it and then a short spring. And you got to pay attention because this can only go together one way. So the first thing you're going to do, like I said, is you're going to put that spring in, and this is your bolt catch is what this is. And it goes in this hole, and there's a little spring pocket down in that slot which doesn't show up on camera. Not really a pocket, but a relief. And you're going to slide this in, and you want to make sure the spring stays in. Okay, so I'll do it sideways. You're going to slide that in there. Come on, get in there. And you're going to hold it. You're going to hold it. And then this piece, it can only go in one way. You're going to have this little tab on the part up, and it goes in that slot right there. And you're going to slide that in. And now that holds the bolt catch. And the next thing you're going to do is holding the, oops, see what happened there? I released the magazine release button. That's what this piece is. And it comes flying out. So you got to hold that in, and then put this back in there. And see what I mean? It's a three-handed job sometimes. Okay. So you're pressing this down. Actually, I have to start over. So this goes in first. Hold it closed like that. Slide this in, the tab up, because it goes in that tab right there. Okay, and then push that down. And then you drop this pin in that hole right there. Okay, now that pin actually holds all of this together. And you want to keep your finger over it, because it'll come flying out of there. And then you're going to slide your ejector in there. There's a slot down here, and it goes in just like that, and you'll hear it click when that pin comes up, and that pin holds your ejector in. And there you have your magazine release, your bolt catch, and your ejector all put together. And you'll and see it just, and I push the button, falls right out. So you can do that much. And then the next thing you need to do is to do the trigger guard.